square. So we have to approximate it, and here's how we're going to do that. Instead of writing 27, and then we'll put the division symbol. What are we looking here is perfect square root of some number that is less than or equal to 27. So we can try 6 times 6 is equals to 36. So it can't be 6 since 36 is greater than 27. So we're gonna try another number which is 5 times 5 is equals to 25. So the answer is less than 27, so we're gonna use this. We'll put the 5 outside the symbol, division symbol, and then 27 divided by 5 is 5. And then 5 times 5 is equals to 25, and we've got the remainder of 2. If we So the next step is put the dot after the 5 and then bring down that to 0 in the remainder 2, so it will become 200. After that, we will write a less than or equal symbol, and to the left of that symbol we'll put a line. After that, we'll put a multiplication symbol and then another line. And after that, we'll double the number of 5. So 5 times 2 is equals to 10. And then we'll put the 10 near the line in the left. And now what we're looking for here is 3-digit number whose last digit can be multiplied that 3-digit number by the last digit. So we'll try the number 1. So 101 times 1 is equals to 101. So less than siya sa 200.
Next step is we're going to subtract 200 minus 101. Now we got 99. We will bring down 2 zeros again, and now we have 9,900. But we have to accomplish something first. This number, which is 1, is the first decimal value of our square root number. So now we have 5.1. Now this 5.1, we're going to remove the decimal and double it. So now we have 102. Then same process again by putting the same sign again and blank line, then copy the 102. Now we need to try a number again to get 4 digit that when we multiply it we got less than 9,900. Now we're going to use a 9, and we got 1,029 times 9. It is equal to 9,261. Then write down under 9,900, and that means 9 is our next digit number to our square root. So that we got our final answer, which is 5.19. But if you want to continue, again, repeat the process again, and that's all. Thank you.
Step 1. We get a square root of 2 that has no perfect square. So far, each decimal places that I want to evaluate up to, I'm going to add group of zeros after the decimal point of the square root of 2. Step 2. Once we have that, we can go ahead and start computing the largest natural number that square is less than or equal to 2 is 1. So we can go place 1 under the 2 just like a division method, and also we'll place a 1 off to the side for some next step we're going to do. Step 3. So let's subtract 1 from 2 and we get 1. Then we're going to pull down the next 2 zeros that we add after the decimal places from the first steps.
So at the side, we need to double the first digit that we get, which is 1. So we get we need to double it, so we get 2, then put blanks so we can get number closest to 100. So using trial and error, we chose 4 because we can get 96 using 4, and then double, and then it is the closest number to 100. So subtract it, so we can get the answer 4, and then pull down 2 zeros. So our next step is to pull down 4 and then double it. So, and we will also put another blanks, so we need to get a digit so we can get a number closest to 400. So closest is 281, so we need to subtract it by 400, and we get the answer 119. And then put every digit from the side to the top of every pair of zeros so we can get 1.41. So the answer square root of 2 is 1.41.